Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For those following us from how we started this modeling, trying to put up a tank stand. This is a tank stand. We're designing it on how we can finish up this design. So we have already created this in our last video. We did this. So if you did not take full up from how we started this to this extent, go to our last video and have view of it. So let's do this quickly. Let me start by editing this view. Let's edit this. Let's edit this quickly. Edit this. Let's take it back the way it is before I extended it. So it will not show. Okay. Finish. Okay. Now, still before finishing the final view, let's copy this. Finish first. Finish family. Highlight. Copy. Take it to this area. Okay. Let's centralize it properly. We'll have this now. So I think at this point we have to go to 3D view. Let me do this quickly. Let's continue. Highlight, copy this way. Rotate this way. Now, what do we really want? Where is our height of decking? Where is our height? The first floor, first tank. Well, let me tank our place in here. Okay. Let's take this as our base. Let's take it up a bit. Edit. Highlight. Remove this cluster. Take it up a bit. For the first floor tank. Okay. Finish. Family. I like this too. Take it up too. Okay. Now let's check it. Okay, let's do this. Also, horizontal, also going up. Then we go this way. See horizontal very well. This is it on this, unlock on this bar, like this. Okay, slapping on the bar like that. That height should be. So let's go to the top view and expand it properly. I think this tank I want to place. I think this tank should be up to 3,000 by 3,000. So let's do this quickly. Let's go to our floor plan. We started this It's let's make this to 3000. No, 3000, 1000. This equally 3000. Make it with 3000 by 3000. Okay, finish. 3000 by 3000. So massive. But I'll make it 2000 by 2000. Let's make it 2000 by 2000. Let's be square because we're having a square tank on the top. Not 3000 by 3000 is okay. 1000 by 3000 is okay. 1000 by 3000 is okay. So let's go to our preview. To have this finish, first of all, finish this, edit, select, edit, select, edit. This is coming to hit here. Okay, finish, finish, swept, finish family. So similarly here, edit, select, edit, select, edit. We take it spots, finish, finish, finish family. So we have our beams correctly. Therefore, this equally edit. If we're taking this to the height, move this pattern, edit. I've already taken this to the heights which we needed them to be. Okay. Okay. Finish, finish, finish family. So let me highlight this and move it to the edge. So copy this way to the edge. Let's see. Let's see here, properly placed. Okay. Therefore, copy to the middle. Copy. Supposed to place array. Although, let me see if we can use array. Let's use array for this. Array. We make it to be 5 or 6. Let's say 6. Get back a bit. Still rows. Let's make it to be 8. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay. So let's place it well. Adjusting it using the key bar, shift key. Now the last is now placing properly here. That's what we want. Let's see what we've done in, okay, this we are still in 3D. Let's see what we've done in a view. Elevation. This is what we've done. This is exactly what we've done. This is our tank stand. The steel bars. I want to place crossing as well, and the cover for that frame, so our tank can stay in on top without having issue. You see the H beams showing clean and clear from its different designs, different dimension of the H beam. They're all there. So think what else to do now, because this last view can adjust them now. This group, this edit, highlight, edit, left. Let's go on top. Highlight, edit. So this last one is not meant to be here. It's meant to be here. Cannot project. There's no how you can project it across this beam. You need to place it inside here and anchor it and weld it. Finish. Finish. Finish family. So this one too. Finish. This one too. Edit. Light. Edit. No. No. They all redo. Undo. 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 They all reduced. They all reduced. I need to reduce. I need to all reduced. It's sketch. It's family. Yes. It's cancel. I need to remove this group. Group. So I can be on his own now. Edit. Therefore, let's go to the view. Top view. Highlight. Highlight. And this. Okay. Okay. Finish. Finish. Finish family. Now come here on group. Then edit. Highlight. Edit. Highlight. See edit. Then do adjustments here. Okay, then finish, parts, finish, swept, finish, family. We'll have something like this. Okay, now don't have on the first base is now anchoring fine. So that's something we're going to do quickly. I wouldn't have removed what I did now, but we're going to redo it when we get to top level. So, well, let's see how it goes on top level. Let me highlight all of this. Highlighting all of this, I want to take it up. I've designed it down. Let's take it up. Have similar design up there. Okay. Let me use side view. Use side view. I've highlighted them all. Then take them to the brim. Let me say copy. Copy. Okay. The materials are not uniform. I'm not uniform material. So I'm having challenge on that. So we must solve them one after the other. On group. On group. They're not uniform material. On group. 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 And it has finished. I've seen one somewhere. On group. On group. What's happening? So I'm finished. Infinity. What's happening? On group. Like, would it copy or something? Okay. I like this. I like. But I'm observing something. Undo. That copy we did worked, but it did not move out. So the whole materials are double. We copied it on the wall. Undo. 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 Let me highlight it again. Okay, it is now single. See, it's now single. Single material. Group. It's not a virgin material. Group. 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 So this is there. Let's now highlight all of this. This. hold my control button and highlight it. Okay. Okay. I want to copy it. Copy. I want to go to above 0 level. Let me do this. Please move it higher. This design, we have learned how to manipulate things that doesn't want to work. Doesn't want to go the original version. So move it this way. Let's go there. It's staying on the surface. This is standing on the base top. We're not going to repeat this design like this again. It's not going to be like this again. It's going to, on this finishing stage, it's going to go up a bit. Okay, it's going to go like this. Then this last edge material, we're going to be relaxing on the top. We're going to be relaxing on the top. So let's do that quickly. Let's do that quickly. Let's pick this. Copy, edit, sorry, edit, highlight, edit, highlight, edit, highlight. In this form, I'm going to projecting it also. I'm going to project it this way. Projecting it that way. We'll have some dimension for the projection. From here to here. We use 300 for projection. And here, between here, here, we can also use 300 for the projection. This is 300. Now drag this to 300. I'll type it in to reduce the other side. So this is how it should be. Go off, finish, start, finish, message. Okay. Let's see what we're doing, what we did, achieve. Finish family, let me see, finish family. Okay, it's standard, it's sitting fine, sitting very well, sitting very, very well. So therefore, let's still add. Okay, let's also know what is happening between this wall, the space span. Let's use that space span to do that adjustment. the space span. This area now. This one will have to come back to the normal height, normal length. This video is taking time again. Okay. All right. Go to the brim. Finish. Finish. Finish massing. So I want to add of this. Let's take dimension between this space. To give us this dimension, we should do that. Okay. Copy. Adding one here. That one we're adding should be having sense space span. Okay. Take it off. And this should be 302. So we're done with that. Move dimensions. Move dimensions. So let's see if this is already working. First of all, let's do this also. Finish. Finish. Let's do this one also, so that when we come for adjustment, if it's not working, we adjust. Edit. 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 Okay. Edit. Think as this one is also expanding, the top should probably expand. Wow. The top should, but this other side should probably expand. So let's see dimension between here and here. There's no dimension 2. Dimension 2 between here and here should be uniform. Let's say 350 between here and here. We make it 400. Make it 400. 400. To drag it down to 400. And this, I have to drag it towards 400. No? Okay. Finish. 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 So we're having dimension between here, finish family. Between here and here is 1.2. So therefore, the next 302, copy, taking it this way, to also span with such dimension. Okay. We're also going to place cover of all this, else things are going to fly off from it. 302. Let's do this. Remove this. Remove this. So now let me adjust this properly. Edit, edit, edit. So let's adjust this properly to the brim. Same thing here, to the brim. Let's finish, 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 finish. Already we know we have an issue here already. Edit, the dimensions are wrong. Okay. Let's take dimension 2. Between here and here is 400, correct? Between here and here is not 400. Have to drag it. We should place dimension to it. We're going to change the other side. Finish. Let's move this. Finish parts, finish swept, finish, sorry, finish. Okay, we have this now. Meanwhile, I'm going to adjust all of this. I'm going to adjust all of this. So let's span this quickly. Click highlighting and editing. Take this to the brim. Take this to the brim. Finish. Finish swept. Finish family. So let's edit the remaining ones. We've expanded the top layer. We've expanded the top layer. Bits. Bits. Okay, let's pick dimension and verify. Between here and here is 400. Escape. Let's go and verify the top. Between here and here is 420. Need to adjust it to 400. Okay. Take it off. Finish parts. Finish swept. Finish family. Do same thing to this. Edit. 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 Horizontal. Let's verify. It's in here to pick 400. It's in here to here 420. What's happening here? Finish. Okay. Finish parts, finish swept, finish family. Okay, come down here to edit, highlight, edit, highlight, edit. I'm gonna put this cover to this. Let's see if I can get it. Okay, drag it to the rim. Let's see dimension. We're getting this, but the other one used to escape from the exact dimension it should. To reduce this time. Take it off. Finish. Parts. Finish swept. Finish family. Then the next family. Let's come into place. Edit. 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 Okay. Let's verify. Like this one is more than this time. This other one, like I got it this time. The peak. Zoom here and here. I got it this time. I messed up the other side now. Okay. I always change my dimension. Check out dimension. Finish parts, finish swept, finish family. There. So let's do this again. Keep doing it to finish it up. Now start covering the side. Okay. Are you sure we're there? Okay, we're there. Okay. Let me see. The top. I'm not getting this one again. It's in here. Here. 400. Does it mean that I will not achieve this thing, the both of them at once? Finish. Pick up this. Finish parts, finish swept, finish family. Left to this and the next. Edit. Run out of time. Edit. Edit and verify. Let's see. Between here and here. 400. Between here, here. Okay. Let's check this other side. So I understand that we're already having this place with 400. See it? Both of them are 400. So we do omit placing one because we used to see it viewing itself need little. Finish, finish, finish family. And this is the last one here. Edit, 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 edit. Okay. Let me see if I can get it this time around. Okay. Let's see if I can get it this time around. Let's pick a dimension 2. In here and here. 400. Grab this. In here and here. Now. In here. Here. 400. So the last one we'll put together for the last one. Finish. That's stressing me all this long. His family. Okay. This is what we've got in our 3D view. This is what we've got in our review. I'm going to cover here, cover the top as well. So we're already run out of time. Follow us for next video as we bring to you the brazing, the cover, and the tanking of this design we are putting in place. Thank you. Follow for more design like this.